US30 stayed bullish yesterday as we discussed in our review that the preceding candle was outside Bollinger Bands and precisely it has respected for 33,500 levels and have seen a good rise. And today again we have seen the candle staying. Now what does this mean? Is it going to continue on the upside towards 34,000 levels today, or we can see a drop here? Which position you should take in order to profit trading Dow Jones today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First we'll start from the hourly charts and then move towards the daily charts, and towards the end I will give you the summary of the observation along with the trading levels and strategy. Do watch. Let's start. See, on the hourly charts, moving averages have crossed over here, are trading with divergence and bullishness here. Also, if you look at the after the consolidation here, it has given a breakout. Thus this makes 33,700 as a very strong support, and then 33,650 levels as a major. Also, another point here is only bearishness in US30 is if it stays below 33,600. So three major levels, and this makes this complete zone between 33,600 and 700 as a major resistance. Now look at the hourly chart. See, after giving a bullish sign, it is now retracing. Also, one must note that the nearest resistance is at around 33,850 levels. Also, look at the preceding candles. Body size is small and it has got a very big wick on the upside. So now I'll wait for it to stay below 33,800 and 780 levels. If US30 stays below 780, you can sell here at for 740, 700 zone, which is going to be the next strongest support here. Very strong support at 740 and 700 zone, and then we may see it hitting 650, the next major support. See, stochastic is overbought. This calls for a probably a little retracement on the downside. MACD is bullish. RSI is flat. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, likewise on the 2-hour chart, see, first thing is it has created beautiful steps here. Also, every candle has left a wick on the upside. This suggests that even this candle can continue with the bullish momentum. It can yield further highs here. Yes, if it stays beyond 33,850, 60 zone, we can look forward to 920 and 34,000 levels, in fact, can be expected here if it continues to stay above 33,920 levels. Look at the stochastic. This is overbought. MACD is divergent. MACD is bullish. It is looking upwards. RSI is staying flat. And if you look at 3-hour, firstly on the 3-hour chart, see, double top levels are seen. However, it is not yet breached the lows here from the preceding candle. Let it breach the lows from the preceding candle, and specifically if it breaks below 780, you can further stay 750. You can further stay short for 700 and 650 levels. 650 is the major milestone which I will be looking forward for US30 to break past by in order to confirm the bearish reverse. Else, you can note that it is still staying in this bullish channel. Also, look at the formation rise, retracement, rise, retracement. So if you connect the dots here, it may possibly retrace towards 700, 740 zone, which is going to be a maximum support zone. Stochastic overbought. MACD is divergent. MACD is bullish. It is looking upwards here, and it has scope for it to continue on the upside from here. RSI is comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. Coming to 4-hour. Now look at 4-hour charts. The moving averages have started to converge a bit, and the candles are also staying bullish. It is staying in this channel. See, every candle has a meaning. If you just connect the dots from the lows and the highs, you can observe. See, this is the channel in which it is trying to trade. That is why I say 650 and 600. 600 on the downside is going to be the level below which you can trade. That US30 has reversed and it is going to show a bearish breakdown on the downside. But at the same time, on the upside, the probability for it to hit 34,000 levels also exists equally strong. First resistance it has to break past is at around 33,850. Beyond that, you can see 33,920, 34,000 levels as the next major milestones. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD is divergent. MACD is bullish. It is looking upwards. RSI is flat. Coming to the daily. Now look at the daily charts here. Higher lows are seen, and right now it is trying to confine itself within a very narrow zone. Once it breaks beyond 33,850 levels, you can certainly expect that it may try to march towards 34,000 levels as well. The possibility for it to achieve those levels will be very high. Also, one must note that the prices are extremely divergent from the 20-period moving average, which is right now sitting at around 34,200. And hence the chances for US30 to scale on the upside will be high. At the same time, moving average will also come down in the next few trading sessions. So for the day, it appears we may see still bullishness, and hence if you see it at around 33,700 or in fact 33,600 zone, possibility of a buying position from there will be very high. You can initiate a buying position at around those levels and expect it to rise. Stochastic rising from the oversold levels. MACD is trading extremely bearish here. It is possibly looking forward to converge crossover. That is why we can see the candle size getting diminished. RSI coming out of the oversold zone. Let's also have a look at the weekly and monthly charts, because today is the last trading session for the week and for the month. Now, if you look at the weekly chart, see, a candle was red. It has erased almost all the losses here. In fact, it can turn on the upside. It can stay on the upside above 34,000 levels as well. We have to be watchful. But at the same time, one must note, as we discussed in our weekly review, see, rise retracement, then drop retracement, and drop possibly from here. If it closes in green, we can see it retracing on the upside towards 34,200, 300 zone. So yes, right now where it closes for the week, that is what we should know. And also, if you look at, see, this drop has taken the support from the 100 weeks average. That is very important. The stochastic is looking downwards. It is almost at bottom. At the same time, the MACD is divergent. The MACD is bearish. It is looking down, and this suggests that it has a further potential for it to continue on the downside for a little while. RSI is also staying bearish. Let's also have a look at the on the monthly charts. Yes, it has taken the support from the 20 months average. I do not see it breaking below these levels here. That is at around 400 levels, 300 levels. These are definitely very good support. Look at stochastic. This is looking down. MACD is willing to cross over for sell, but it is almost staying flat, and RSI is also trading with a bearish bias. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for you for today. But before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 26th batch is going to start on 9th of October. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my Signals group. Reach out to me for more details. Yes, in order to get the live market updates, either press the bell icon or join my free Telegram channel where you get the live market updates. And yes, before leaving the video, do like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. Your every like, share, comment is a great support motivation for me to deliver to the best of my abilities. Now, first thing is where to buy. I will recommend you to buy here at 33,820 levels itself. Be careful of 33,850, 860 as the first resistance, then 33,910, 920 as the next, and then we may see US30 trying to go close to 34,000 levels, if not breach past it, but it may attempt to go close to 34,000 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Buy at 33,820. At the same time, I will recommend you to sell here at 33,780 levels, but then 750, 60, very good support. Then ultimately 700 levels, the next important, and below that 650. Yes, and then 600. Only and only if you see US30 staying below 33,600 today, consider it for a reversal, and we are going to look forward to a massive drop from those levels. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch in Signals channel. Have a great profitable weekend. Happy weekend, and do stay tuned with the latest updates. Tomorrow we are going to release the monthly review tomorrow for US30, and do watch that also. Do not miss that. Press the bell icon, join the free Telegram channel to get the live updates. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.